So the question is, can I use my preferred vendors when Mark Brower Properties manages my property? And the answer to that is yes, because our business model is not built around making huge profits on maintenance, like the industry norm, marking up maintenance 30 to 50%. We don't engage in that practice. We want to win your trust and preserve it over the long run so that if we're recommending maintenance be done, you're not concerned that we're just making recommendations that add additional profits. We're giving you recommendations that are really needed for the property. So you can use your preferred vendors. During our onboarding setup process, there's a Google form that we have you fill out, and you can specify preferred vendors. Those notes will make it into the system under your account, and every time a maintenance request is received, we'll call your vendor first. Of course, we still want your support that if that vendor isn't responding or isn't giving quite the quality of service that we're needing to deliver to the resident and the property, that you empower us and you support us in going with our preferred vendors. We do have multi-year trusting relationships with vendors in almost every category. They give us priority service and also give us discounts that we then pass along to you. We scan in those invoices, upload them to your owner portal so you can see exactly what's going on and have that feeling of confidence.